Guys, let me tell you one story today.
Long time back, there was one Asura called Tripurasura. He performed penance to please Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma gave him a gift of immortality, but then he started harassing humans as well as gods. All gods then went to Lord Shiva and begged to do something to stop this. Lord Shiva agreed to this, and then fierce battle between Asura Tripurasura and Lord Shiva happened, where Lord Shiva killed Tripurasura. That battle said to be went for 3 days long, and at the end the sweat which fell on ground formed a river. That river is known as Bhima river nowadays, and this place where the battle happened is nothing but the Jyotirlinga Bhima Shankar.
Welcome guys. Today we are at the Bhima Shankar and we are doing Bhorgiri to Bhima Shankar trek.
Bhorgiri to Bhima Shankar trek, a 8-kilometer pleasurable walk, especially during a monsoons, through the deep forest, crossing streams, sighting animals and waterfalls. Must do with the family, with kids, to have fun during a monsoon.
Good morning. आहे मी परत आपल्या गावाला. I am at my village and now it is 6 o'clock and we are leaving from here for Bhima Shankar.
We are now going to Bhorgiri, from where we will start our trek. Bhorgiri is almost of 60 kilometers from my village, which will around take 1.5 hours.
So we have reached to Bhima Shankar trekking start point. So it took almost 1.5 hours to reach from my village to Bhorgiri, and after from Bhorgiri, here is the basic landmark. Here is, you will see there is a one gate like this. Here only we have parked our car and now we are starting for the Bhima Shankar trek. Most of the guys, when we reached to the Bhorgiri, they were asking, "Arey no, there is no road from here Bhima Shankar." So we told them, "Arey, we actually want to go for it by trekking." So they said, okay, then you proceed from this road. So let's see, we are going to have a lot of fun and stay tuned, watch the full video. तर आमचा ट्रेक चालू झालेला आहे. मी विसरलो आज आमच्याबरोबर कोण कोण आहे सांगायला. तर बरोबर माझ्याबरोबर आहेत रिया, रेयांश, रिया आणि रेयांश आणि आराध्या आहे आमच्याबरोबर. त्याच्यानंतर माझ्या वहिनी साहेब आहेत, प्रणिता आहे, मम्मी आहे, मम्मी कुठे दिसते, हां मागे, आणि सागर.
Trek starts with a dense forest and a bit climb. Since our bodies were not warmed up, this climb makes you tired. But after 10 minutes of climb, it's almost a flat walk.
Oh my god, see, this is really a very beautiful trek, I would say. We are cutting the fog and walking. It's been a 1 hour we are walking. We don't know where are we, how much time it is. Still we have to go. But we are enjoying. It's fun. See behind me.
आणि इथं खूप धुकं आहे आणि आम्हाला कोणीच दिसत नाही, फक्त सागर काका आणि इथून दिसते. गाईज मी बोललेलो शिवनेरीला की तुम्ही खूप सबस्क्राईब केल्यावर तुम्हाला इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गिफ्ट भेटू शकतात, तर तुम्ही करा आणि तुम्हाला गिफ्ट पण भेटू शकतात. तर चला.
Very dense forest, pleasing sound of birds, and plus there are some water flows. We are walking in the mist.
इकडे
seems to be very safe trek so far. See, yes. Nice.
Reason the road is very wide and looks very well constructed is that in 1972 there was a road planned from Bhorgiri to Bhimashankar, but after that, since it was declared as a wildlife sanctuary, the road construction stopped.
What a view, what a view. If you feel you are lost, then just follow this orange color marks which someone have tied. After mostly flat trail, now it is again we are back in the dense forest and it's a little bit climb now. By the time you must have seen that the road was very wide and it was fully constructed, but now actually we are in jungle forest and we are taking a feel of forest trek. Still it's a flat, just like 5 minutes we had a climb. After that again it's a flat. And to let you know, we haven't seen any single person yet on this entire trail. You can see here again the road is very well constructed, means at least proper marking again. And here we are so lucky that to see the state animal of Maharashtra, which is Shekru. करूया.
अरे येताना आपल्याला किती लांब जायचंय पण.
And after 2.5 hours of trek, we are at the Bhimashankar. हे बघा मंदिर.
After reaching to Bhimashankar, first we checked how long is the queue. The queue was very long. We got to know that it will almost take 2.5 hours to 3 hours to take a darshan. And after walking almost for 3 hours, it was very much difficult to stand. So we just took a Mukha darshan of Lord Shiva and then we went to breakfast.
हो ना.
From Bhimashankar you have a facility to go by a bus. So our group got split into the two parts. One group wanted to go by the bus back to the village. So we came to the bus stand and the group boarded a bus.
हे आम्हाला सोडून गेलेले आहेत रिया, रेयांश, मम्मी आणि वहिनी आणि आराध्या. आता आम्ही तिघेच राहिलेलो आहे. आता आम्हाला भाग नाही आहे, आमची गाडी तिथं पार्क आहे म्हणून आम्हाला चालत जाणं भाग आहे. सो आता आम्ही परत स्टार्ट करतोय आमचं उतरायला. हे बघा मंदिर आणि इथून आता आम्ही चालू करतोय भोरगिरीला जायचंय. मध्ये आम्ही आता गुप्त भीमाशंकरला पण जाऊ, दाखवला.
After walking 20 to 30 minutes of Bhimashankar, you reach to the Gupta Bhimashankar. Gupta Bhimashankar is a place where there is a hidden Shivlinga. This place is said to be where Bhima river again starts flowing.
We are back from Gupta Bhimashankar now. We actually could not see the Shivling because the water flow was very heavy. It was crowded also. The trek of this Bhorgiri to Bhimashankar is really nice. Rear ranch could do this trek, so I believe that everybody can do this trek. Even my mom did this trek, so this is really easy trek you can do. There is another way from Vandre to Bhimashankar. Don't confuse the Mumbai's Vandre. There is some village here, Vandre. From there also we saw some trekkers were doing this trek. There are 2-3 famous way you can come to the Bhimashankar. First is you go directly by car. There is a way from Mansar to Bhimashankar, from where you can take a car, bus, lot of public transportation is also available. If you are a trek enthusiastic, then you can do Bhorgiri to Bhimashankar trek, which we did. And then there is another way from Karjat, Khandas to Bhimashankar, where the Mumbai people normally do it. Most of you must be thinking that why I have started talking in English now. The reason behind is this vlog may be watched by outside of India, and they will get to know about the history of Maharashtra, the legend of Maharashtra. So this is the main reason I have started talking in English. I hope you like it. If you still think that okay, no, I should go back to Marathi, please let me know. Comment it and I'll definitely think about it. We have finally finished our trek. We are back at that gate of Bhimashankar Wildlife Sanctuary. I am feeling so happy. This is first trek in ages that where I have not done any fort trek. It's just a wildlife sanctuary trail and a small trek. Not small trek. It's almost took like we started at 8 o'clock and now it's 3 o'clock. So 7 hours. Yes, definitely in Bhimashankar we spent like 2 hours. But while going it took 3 hours and coming back it took again 2.5 hours, so almost 5 hours trek. We enjoyed, had fun. I hope you also liked it. Do comment, share with your friends and just subscribe the channel. Oh, our car. So now we are going to sit calmly and we'll go. सागर कसा होता ट्रेक? प्रणिता हा कसा होता ट्रेक? मजा आली. प्रणिता येणार आहे आता प्रत्येक ट्रेक मध्ये आमच्या बरोबर.
मॉर्निंगला तुम्ही आले तर मस्त फॉग मध्ये याल, स्पेशली मॉन्सून सीझन मध्ये.
येस.